Greetings, guys. This is a small video, a short video, showing you how to stake your Peakpok tokens. And if you are not mining Peakpok, I'll leave my link on the description so you can join under my link. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and like the video so you can uh, stay tuned for more videos. And by the way, I'll be posting a very important video after this, so don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button so you get, because that's the next info is going to be time sensitive. So the better you key into it when I post it, the quicker you key into it when I post it, the better for you. So stay tuned. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. So this is Peakpok. Peakpok is partnering with Cheatmoon. You know Cheatmoon. Two of them are phone mining tokens. So I'm just going to show you how to stake your Peakpok tokens. It's not going to be a long video. I'll keep it as short as possible, or make it quick as possible. As you can see, long-term partnership between Cheatmoon and Peakpok. So you click on this button here where you will see my pools. So these are the validation pools. You see my pool. This is the validation pool that I've joined, and these are top pools. You can click on any of these pools to join. There are more pools. So each pool, almost every pool here has a percentage output of 8%. So this is my pool. This is my own validation pool. So what I will do here is to click on stake more tokens. I've already staked 50,000 Peakpok. So I'm going to stake more again for the sake of this video. So I'm going to stake 4,000 more. So I'm clicking on stake. Now look at that. My total stake tokens are 54,000 Peakpoks with potential earning of 4,320 Peakpoks per week. This is added to the one you're mining, your mining rates. Your mining rate is just different, and this staking, the reward you get from staking is different. So the two ways to earn Peakpok. So guys, I'll drop my link on the description. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Hit the subscribe button for more updates, because there will be, the next update is going to be time sensitive. So hit the subscribe button so you wait for the next update. When I post it, you activate into it immediately. So thank you guys for listening.